How to quickly recolor an image in Affinity Photo using Apply Image Filter. Select a layer and then go to Filters and Apply Image. Go to Use Current Layer as Source. You can use blend modes if you wish, but also you can go to Equations and then go to RGB, Grayscale, etc. But what you can do, you can go to DR equals SR and then you can put plus 0.2 to make it redder. Or maybe go for minus 0.2. You can go down to DG and make it SG plus 0.5. So you can make it very green, very quick and easy. And also what you can do, you can also change the equation color space as well. So if you want to, you just go to Grayscale very quickly and then you can go to DI equals SI plus 0.2 or maybe 0.4. So if you go up to 1, obviously it just becomes completely white, but it's the same if you go to 0.9. Depends on the underlying image. So you can just about make something out. But you can also go to minus 0.9 and that's the range. And you can also try CMYK as well as lab as well. Once you've done that, you can then, let's just plus 0.5 and click apply. You can also use a selection. So just go over here to a rectangular marquee tool and select an area, and you maybe want to change that, make it slightly redder. Go to Filters, Apply Image, Use Current Layer as Source, then go to Equations again, and then SR plus 0.4, click Apply. You've got a nice red area there without using any adjustment layers. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.